Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app for Android. I'm going to be showing you today one of the most useful features within the EGW Writings 2 app, and that is subscriptions. Subscriptions, you can say, I didn't want to pay for this app. No, it's got nothing to do with paying for the app. It's to do with delivering daily content to you that you could get and use for free at the time and place and location that you want to read it. So let's say, for example, you want to subscribe to reading a daily thought that will be delivered at the choice and the time that you wish to receive it. A little notification will pop into the app. It will pop up. You tap on the notification. It will open up into the thought for the day, which is a little quote from Ellen White. Now, there is more than just thought for the day. There is daily readings in which you can subscribe to a book, and you can choose the number of pages in which you wish to read. You can choose to read in a book, let's say 5 pages a day, 10 pages a day, up to 50 pages a day, and that will be delivered to you within the app to read, or you can choose to receive it through an email as well, which then you are able to share with friends and family. There is also Bible reading plans that you can subscribe up to, and daily devotionals. And all these, the great thing is when you subscribe to them, you can choose whether you want to, as I said, choose between reading 1 to 50 pages a day and having it delivered to you. If it's a devotional, then it's best just to receive the single devotional for the day, so choose 1 page. And let's say you rise at 5 a.m. in the morning, then you can set your devotional time for 5:30 a.m. or 6 a.m. and it will pop in at that time. You can open it up, you'll hear the notifications, and you can read. If you want to pause your subscription, you can do that also in settings. And in the daily calendar, you can see very easily what you have read and what you have missed. So to show you how to use all this, let's dive in the tutorial now on using subscriptions. Now, subscriptions, if I subscribe to something, like I subscribe to a devotional book like My Life Today, I've already signed up for it. In another subscription, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use the actual subscription app and sign up for it. But this is just showing you. So if I've already subscribed to, say, Thought for the Day, you can see here how it lists the calendar, and it has a circle around the current day, and then it lists my subscriptions for that day. And if I tap on Thought for the Day, it opens up. If I want to go to my next subscription, I can just tap here. Now, it won't go into May 6 because May 6 hasn't occurred yet, but I can go back to my previous one. So see, May 6 is not there, but I can come back and scroll through my previous quotes that pop up. And I've chosen to receive these early in the morning, and it will be delivered at the set time within my location that I am in my time zone, and it will deliver it at 6 a.m. every day. And how I set that is over here in the settings of my subscription settings. You can see how I can come in here and set it all up in my subscription. So that's essentially the subscriptions. Now you might say, what's this 272? That means I have 272 items which I haven't checked off as read in my subscription. As you can see from the tutorial that we just gave you on using subscriptions, there is so much that you can do and use the app. We just showed you the thought for the day and the daily devotional and how you can use the reader to quickly receive that subscription in and keep track every day of a devotional, which you can read at any time. You can also, like I said at the beginning, subscribe to reading through a book. And it's a great way, say you want to read a book of Ellen White from cover to cover, it would automatically be divided up for you and deliver the number of pages that you choose to read. Single page, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it will naturally break at the paragraph breaks or at the chapter headings for you. Now that is subscriptions. If you have not got an EGW Cloud account, you need to sign up and register to be able to receive a daily subscription. Hopefully that you will utilize this feature. We have tens of thousands of people that do it now, and it's a very simple thing to subscribe to and enjoy the benefits that it can give you of keeping track with God through your daily devotional books. We have 21 devotional books that you can use. We have hundreds of selections that you can read and subscribe to. And then we also have several Bibles that you can read through from cover to cover as well. Thanks for joining us now. I'm Darryl Thompson. Have a nice day.